Hi, my name is Kwame Afreh, the General Secretary of Ghana Union Finland, and in this short video, we would like to show you a summary of the work of Her Excellency Mrs. Amerley Ollennu Awua-Asamoa, Ghana's ambassador to Denmark with concurrent accreditation to Finland, Sweden, and Iceland. Her Excellency arrived in Finland in 2018 and was received by Ghanaian Honorary Consulate in Finland, Ms. Willa Alanko, and the President of the Ghana Union, together with her executives and the Foreign Ministry. And here I'm referring to the Finnish Foreign Ministry. A day after her arrival, she decided to meet or touch base with the executives officially.
You walk a senior in someone online console. Don't know what time you cheaper. It's not a share that didn't take a crown or yes.
After her meeting with the Ghana Union Finland executives, Her Excellency had an open forum with the Ghanaian community where she made known some of her priorities, which include customer service at the embassy,
customer service, the way some of us respond to complaints.
In addition, Her Excellency also had a fruitful discussion with the Ghanaian community in Finland. Over the years, customer service has been one of the major issues in most missions, and she made it a point to, if not eradicate this issue, at least reduce it drastically. And today, we are happy to say that throughout her term, we've seen a massive improvement in customer service at the mission. At the same year in 2018, the embassy also organized training of trainers on visa and application in order to improve the customer service. Of course, most of the problem has been that the applicants have been filling the form wrong, and that has also resulted in delay. Through Her Excellency, a new initiative called Mobile Consular Session were also organized. The embassy also, together with the Ghana Union, organized Ghana-Finland Business Forum, which attracted a lot of investors. On education, Her Excellency again engaged some of the vocational institutions here in Finland to again get to know more of how things are being done here and to see how to incorporate those into that of Ghana. Finland, we will say, is the home away from home for Her Excellency. And here we see her celebrating with the Ghanaian community, the Ghana's independence. And here again, we see her having a fellowship with a session of the Ghanaian community in Finland at the Church of Pentecost. Thank you, Her Excellency, for the good work done. These memories will stay with us, and we hope that come next year, you'll be back in Denmark as our ambassador again. We can't thank you enough. All that we can say is that God bless you. In the next few videos, we will hear testimonies from colleagues within Finland.
Hello, my name is James Mckeown. I'm speaking from Helsinki, and I would like to use this opportunity to say a few words to our ambassador, Her Excellency Mrs. Amerley Ollennu Awua-Asamoa, as she brings her service as an ambassador to an end. Indeed, Mrs. Ollennu has been phenomenal with regards to her work. Since she became an ambassador, we have seen a lot of improvement, particularly when it comes to passport applications. I mean, in the past, when you submit your passport application, they will tell you you get the passport within a month, but most of the time, sometimes 2 months, even 3 months before you receive your passport. But since she came, everything has been so expeditious, and we are so grateful. We are so thankful to you, Madam, my own mother. I call you mother because I mean your relationship with us has been exceptional. You are so down to earth. In fact, you have been a phenomenal blueprint of humility. You are so humble. You come down to our level and interact with us. As for Finland, I think we wish Nana Akufo-Addo could make you ambassador for only Finland, because I mean your relationship with us has been so nice. Surely we know that Akufo-Addo will come back to power. He's going to have 8 years. If they bring you back to us, we'll be so grateful. But if we don't get you as ambassador again, we wish you well. We wish you success in all your endeavors and wherever you may find yourself. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Laaru Mwaawaaru. I'm a Ghanaian business development consultant working with Finnish and African companies who are interested in doing business in Ghana. Ghana has over the years continued to stand out as a favorable trading partner and a launching pad when entering West Africa. And the perceptions of doing business in Ghana has been positively shaped by the activities and wonderful support of Her Excellency Mrs. Amerley Ollennu Awua-Asamoa and her staff at the Ghanaian Embassy in Denmark. Her Excellency in her term of service has shown Finnish businesses and interested partners the necessary support and dedication to increase trade and investment towards our home country. It has been a pleasure hosting business and investment seminars and activities to help facilitate trade promotion towards Ghana. She has been an innovative leader and has shaped the future of the Ghanaian business sector here in Finland. Thank you for your service, dedication, support, and timely response to business inquiries. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and as the Finns will say, kiitos paljon. Thank you. Bye.
Yabeda yamame Ollennu ase wasitena papa wani yen abetena Finland ha. Yebenya nka one yen eguso etena ha emre tenten bia ewo yanimu bia. Nimra wedi ewo embassy ho. Mekai say personally COVID bae na a passport renewal share e bae. Me fa phone Afreh omo efeswa omo gye a churchere emimu eye one ne team adwuma papa omo eye ede esomye me kai say mishia a Ghanaian student ewo Sweden na no so ne passport eho ensem ye me ka kire ne say onfre embassy no na ye embassy a ewo Sweden me sis Ollennu ne team de omo ye esronkon but na ihu abono kakra if we say watete nsem bebre wo every US ne UK amount for free embassy kra obia empeke ampa ne ampa ofre omoje no ofeso emanense ya mebisa no omaye ne passport amano enti asama ye ka kire me sis Ollennu ene ne team ene say yeda omase nanka ni ayahwehwe ne say emra wode na adwuma ebe awie ka okwa onsan emra ne yetimi amano akọ aba yeda base.
Hopefully I see you at the airport again, and I really miss the time we had fun. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much for asking me to say a word or two about HE, our ambassador to Denmark and the Nordic countries, at least until now. That is Mrs. Ollennu. I won't say known, but I've been dealing with her as a member of the Ghanaian community in Finland, and as a patron, also one of the patrons of the Ghana Union. Mrs. Ollennu has been a person I've seen or known to be very lively and enthusiastic with her job. In fact, when she came at first, even when she had not presented her credentials to the Finnish government, she came here, she met Ghanaians, and had wanted to even participate in Ghana's independence celebration, which coincided at that time with coming here to Finland, or to Denmark actually. But because for security and diplomatic reasons, she couldn't. She has kind of fallen in love with the Ghanaian community in Finland and in Finland as a whole. I know that she's hardworking, and I won't be surprised that she would, or she might come here again next year. I wish her all the best in her endeavors, and maybe we'll meet somewhere again. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kwame Afreh, the General Secretary of Ghana Union Finland. I would like to use this opportunity to also say a few words about Her Excellency Mrs. Amerley Ollennu Awua-Asamoa, Ghana's ambassador to Denmark. As the Secretary of the Union, we normally receive a lot of complaints, and one of such mostly relates to customer service, of which Her Excellency made it a point to improve when she first came to Finland. I can boldly say that within the past 4 years, the number of complaints that has come to our table has reduced drastically. On the issue of response, if a complaint should come to us and we should write to, let's say, the embassy, we get a response right away and the issue gets resolved. Again, on the issue of mobile consular session, it was the first of its kind, and they did it marvelously to the extent that even in the first in the first time that we did, we had over 50 applications in the area of passport and visas. Again, there was also a new dynamics added to our business symposium, mostly which Ghana Union has been organizing. In her term, we had a good collaboration with the embassy, and in addition, Her Excellency organized a breakfast after the symposium to also interact much more with the business. He also touched on, as we saw in the video, touched much more on the education. To me, Her Excellency has done such a marvelous job that we cannot use this short time to sort of narrate the whole story. But all that we can say, or I can say, is that Her Excellency, may God bless you for the good work done. And on behalf of the Ghanaian community, we say, Eyuko.